Hi, my name is Mariana. I'm gonna make a grilled egg, cheese, and ham sandwich. The ingredients you will need is bread, mayonnaise, a spatula, eggs, cheese, and ham. Step 1, you'll crack the egg and fry it. Next step is to put mayonnaise on the bread. Flip your toast. Next step is flip your egg. Next, fry your ham. Next step is to flip it. Next step is to put cheese on each of your bread. Next step is to put the ham on the cheese. Now flip it. Now to put your sandwich together. Now it's time to share with a friend. Here, Nelson.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Hope you make it with your family.